Today I'm going to show you how to navigate to the Shopify App Store from inside Shopify. So on the left hand side here you've got your menu, and right down the bottom you've got apps. And from here you can actually visit the Shopify App Store in the top right corner. So this will open up a new tab, and you're going to have to log in. So if you're already logged in, your information should be here. Worst case, you can always log into a different account. Cool. And so from here, this is basically the center of your Shopify App Store. So based on what you're trying to find, you can obviously search for the item here. You can obviously just have a browse and have a look through all the different categories and what's trending. Just to give you an idea of how these things work. So you might be trying to find something that helps you with product customization. Product customizer. So all the relevant apps will appear. And on the left-hand side, you're actually going to be able to filter it by category, even pricing. So there's obviously free options and paid options too, and obviously some integrations too. So it obviously works well with Shopify POS and Kit and Shopify Checkout. There is plenty of free apps, so don't always jump straight to the paid ones. They're not always better than the ones that are free. There are some great free apps within the Shopify App Store.